Super yummy.
Pick, you show me first before you pick it. See? I'm saying.
How's this?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there. What's inside? Can you see that? Can you see?
Yeah.
It's a little pale. It's a little pale. Look at inside. Apa mga labels? Look out. Okay. Laki ah.
What?
Tingnan. Tama na. Puro strawberry lang naman. Sobrang dami dito palang malalaki. Dapat dito tayo pumunta.
Parang wala rin kasi, no? Parang pag tinignan mo sa labas, parang walang hinog.
Tama na yan.
Isa kayo dito.
Ano?
Sorry na ito. Ano pinakamalaki mo nakuha? Tinanggal ko yung maliliit na.
Yan, ano binalik mo? Pwede, ilagay mo lang dyan. Duwag. You think you will win? You think we'll win? We have a chance? Do we have a chance? Show me. Decent, but we have the same size there already. You need to find bigger. I think let's do one here.
Yeah, very big sparkles.
Go. Let's see, let's weigh. No, that's smaller. This might be a good one. Careful, don't press because you're pulling. No, they're smaller. What about this one? Try, put. Kuya is coming now. We need to find our biggest.
So far from British.
That is our final four.
Probably. I don't know.
Oh, may final four na kami. Final four. Maybe. Oh no, this is small.
That's a nice sign there.
Wow, wala. I think you will lose.
Yeah.
Oh, this one I think we can also put final five. This is the biggest, huh?
Huh?
Oh.
Huh?
Among them, this is the biggest, I think.
Probably.
No, I think we will lose.
This point maybe. So they look like seeded to me.
Look at no. Oh, dito. Laki yun.
This is PTSD.
Oh no.
Theirs is probably thick.
Hmm?
Theirs probably thick. Kuya, stop showing that one, you inappropriate.
Sige, let's pick which one is the biggest among this. I think this will be a
One
good
of those
candidate.
two.
This is the biggest.
Just those two.
This one goes. This
At
one.
pinakamabigat dito eh.
This one goes. This one
Ilan
goes.
tayo Tatlo.
Heavy yan.
Oh, this one good.
Bigat ko saan doon.
Look at it.
Ito ako.
It's rusty.
Wala, ito lang ang malaki mo eh. Wala, oh, ito lang.
Ayun na.
Sus, ayan oh. O yan ang malaki mo lang.
Ano sa pinakamalaki niya doon?
Mga ito oh. Oh,
Wala yan doon. Teka
oh. Mataba oh.
Yan doon.
Sige na, put na. I think we have a tie.
Doon ka sa likod nila.
Mom, look at this.
Layo mo, doon ka sa likod.
Covered some of my face.
Hindi nakita yung strawberry eh. Sama, pakita mo look yung strawberry mo. Hindi ka kita dito. Yung strawberry kasi eh. Hindi ka kita dyan. Ayan na, naulan na. Doon ka kasi.
Kita na.
Hindi ka makita. Yan.
Sabihin mo doon ang kakang kumain kila Tita Liri para hindi tayo magbuwiso.
Yan, ganun nangyari ma. Naparami. Naparami, napasarap. Pagtitas. Ang dami, oh. Ayan, oh. Nakaapat na basket tayo. Oh. Bayaran mo yan. Ang dami anak ah. Cherry. Kaso, hilaw pa. Hindi pa open. Wow. Yan ang farm namin.
They told me to hold mama.
One. Smile, Lucky. Wait, ang dami niya nakuha ah. Super dami. Ang dami. Ilan lahat yan? 53. Mama, ito binayan ko dalawang box, 53 point something. Kay Lance, 19 point ano yan, nak? Ang sa'yo? Pa, kamusta? Ang pag-visit mo sa farm natin? Masaya. Masaya? Napagod ka ba? Say bye-bye muna sa farm natin. Ayan. Yan, napakita ko na yung farm namin. Strawberry farm kay mama. Sa panaginip. Mana ka someday. So bye. See you again next time. Please like, subscribe, follow for more. Dami naman nakuha, mamimigay tayo. Ayan, mamimigay tayo. Sa dami na nakuha natin. Yes, mom.